Stonite Coil Corporation serves commercial enterprises seeking custom electrical assemblies for the commercial, industrial, medical, military, oil exploration, petrochemical, nuclear, and power generation industries, and more. Our team of experts, which includes experienced electrical and mechanical engineers, takes pride in working with customers' engineering and purchasing staff to assist in the development of product specifications to satisfy the requirements of the application. There is no need to settle for off-the-shelf or generic catalog products when you can have your electrical coil winding applications custom designed and manufactured here in the United States. Currently, Stonite Coil Corporation is a major U.S. supplier of coils for solenoid valves, actuators, inductors, and vibrator drives. Coils ranging from 1,000 pounds down to a few ounces are routinely manufactured to our customers' requirements. Our production schedule is customer-focused to permit the ability to respond to changing delivery schedules as required by our customers. Learn how Stonite Coil Corporation can help you with your next project. Contact us at 609-585-6600 or visit www.stonitecoil.com.